Can we read the Bible first? Luke chapter 6, verse 6 to 11. We describe the healing of the man with the withered hand. Luke chapter 6, verse 6 to 11.
Luke chapter 6, verse 6 to 11. Luke chapter 6, verse 6 to 11. On another Sabbath, when he entered the synagogue and taught, a man was there whose right hand was withered, and the scribes and the Pharisees watched him to see whether he would heal on the Sabbath, so that they might find an accusation against him. But he knew their thoughts, and he said to the man who had the withered hand, "Come and stand here." And he rose and stood there. And Jesus said to them, "I ask you, is it lawful on the Sabbath to do good or to do harm, to save life or destroy it?" And he looked around on them all and said to him, "Stretch out your hand." And he did so, and his hand was restored. But they were filled with fury and discussed with one another what they might do to Jesus.
Thank you.